Hello, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a very impromptu book unboxing to end this awful week I had. But my copy of the third secret project book arrived on my doorstep this afternoon when I got home from work, so that really did help brighten up my day because I haven't had the best week lately. But let's go ahead and get right on in and unwrap this and check out what's in store. So on the inside, the quote this time is, "Storytelling is essentially about cheating," which is a quote by Wit, as you can see here. And then we have all the goodies inside. Looks like this time we have a Shalon pen, which is awesome. I really enjoy this character. And then the spoiler card. This box contains two worlds, one bright and warm, the other dark and streaked with neon lines of cyan and magenta. Secret project number 3 takes you to new, unexplored corners of the Cosmere. And of course, we'll have the book, Yumi and the Nightmare Painter, a sparkly bookmark, which sparkles make everything better, a sticker, and a character pin, which obviously you already saw the character pin. So let's hop right on in and see what else we have. We have, looks like this is the sticker, which is pretty interesting. And then, ooh, this is a very pretty bookmark. Trying to get it on camera. My light's picking up, but it is very stunning. And of course, the part I'm sure y'all all want to see, which is the book itself, which, ooh, this is gorgeous. It's called Yumi and the Nightmare Painter. I really love this cover. It's absolutely stunning. And the back basically says, "A person is more than their experiences. Stacked up like stones, our best moments are the foundations we use to reach for the sky," which sounds really intriguing, and I really do think that quote's very well fitting considering my week I've had. So it's like signed there. But let's open this on up and kind of take a peek inside. And we have some gorgeous end pages. And it looks like the print themes are pink and blue this go around. And we have the same theme with the random illustrations throughout. So that's nice. And then we have another end page. I'm trying not to spoil anything by showing any spoiler pictures as I flip it through. But I'm super excited to start reading this book, and I hope I love it because these other two books, Trust of the Emerald Sea and the Frugal Wizard's Handbook for Surviving Medieval England, were both awesome. So I'm super excited to dive into this one too. And this book is absolutely breathtaking and stunning, and I hope it lives up to the hype. So I guess that's it for this short and random video. If you did enjoy, feel free to click the like and subscribe button. And I know tomorrow I will actually be posting my official reading wrap up for the month of June, so feel free to check that one out. But until then, I will see you guys next time.